To install this kit, you will need a 5/8 wrench or a 5/8 socket wrench and a pair of needle nose pliers. Close the input and output valves on the machine. If they are not closed before installation, the Teflon seals can be cut by the ball valves, ruining the seals. Remove the input fitting and screen filter from the machine. Remove the brass output fitting with a 5/8 wrench or socket. Using needle nose pliers, remove the O-ring on the input male fitting. Replace with the provided O-ring. Now install the new provided male-to-male brass fitting into the output side of the machine. Make sure to install the fitting with the flat side facing up. Using a 5/8 wrench or socket, tighten the fitting until it's snug. Place a new filter screen into a new swivel fitting, then screw it onto the input fitting of the G5. Screw the second swivel fitting onto the output fitting. You have now installed the KTF645 Swivel Fitting Kit.